Hello dear students, our lesson today is the lateral surface area and the total surface area of a cuboid, or you can write it LSA and TSA of a cuboid. Okay, let's see what is the cuboid first. As we took before, okay, the cuboid has 6 faces. Each face is in the shape of a rectangle, and each two opposite faces are equal in area. Each two opposite faces has the same area. Notice that the area of one face equals the area of the rectangle because its face is in the shape of a rectangle. The area of the rectangle equals length times width. The cuboid has 8 vertices. It has 3 dimensions, length and width and height, and it has 12 edges. Okay, if you have a cartoon box in the form of a cuboid like that, if you unfold this cuboid as in the following figure, okay, look at this figure, okay, the lateral area or the lateral surface area of a cuboid is the sum of the areas of its 4 lateral faces. It means the unshaded part, which are perpendicular to the base of the cuboid. So the lateral surface area are the unshaded part of the cuboid. The rule of the lateral area of a cuboid equals the perimeter of the base times the height. The perimeter of the base is what? Is the perimeter of the rectangle, which is length plus width times 2. First, you have to get the perimeter, then make it times the height. If the cuboid has a base in the shape of a square, it's called cuboid with square base. In this case, the perimeter of the base will be equals the perimeter of the square, which is side times 4. So you have to concentrate well, which base? Base of a rectangle or base of a square? From the previous, we will draw the magic triangle of the rule. To get the lateral surface area, write it up and down, perimeter of the base times height. Okay? The total surface area of the cuboid, which is TSA, is the sum of areas of all the faces. The lateral surface area means the 4 faces. The total surface area means all the faces of the cuboid. The rule equals what? You have first to get the total area of the cuboid, you have first to find the lateral area, then make it plus 2 times the area of the base. So the rule of total area of cuboid equals lateral area plus 2 times area of the base. And don't forget that the base is the same as the face. If the cuboid without a lid, the lid, it means the upper face of the cuboid. The cuboid has 6 faces. The lid means the upper face of the cuboid. It has only one base. If he told you cuboid without a lid, it will have only one base. So in this case, the total area of cuboid equals lateral area plus area of one base only one time. So there's a difference between total area equals lateral area plus 2 times base area. If he told you without a lid, you will make lateral area plus area of the base, one area only. Let's see this exercise. A cuboid, its length is 5 centimeter, its width is 3 centimeter, and its height 7 centimeter. Find its lateral area and its total area. To get the lateral area, you have to find first the perimeter. To get the total area, you have to find the area. Okay, this is the shape of the cuboid. This is our rule, okay? Lateral surface area equals perimeter of base times height. First, find the perimeter, length plus width times 2. What is the length? 5. The width 3. So you will make 5 plus 3 times 2 equals 16. This is the perimeter. Area equals what? Area of the rectangle. Length times width equals 5 times 3 equals 15 centimeter. Then the rule of lateral surface area, perimeter of one face times height. We have the perimeter 16 times 7, the height equals 112 centimeter square. Then the total surface area equals lateral surface area plus 2 times face area. The lateral surface area, we have it 112 plus 2 times what? The face area is the area that we found before, which is 15. So I will make 2 times 15. 112 plus 2 times 15 equals 142. Another example, a room in the form of a cuboid. Its inner dimensions are 4 meters length, 3.5 meters width, and 4 meters height. Length, width, and height. It's wanted to paint its lateral walls. Look carefully at this word, lateral walls. Lateral walls means the 4 faces. It means the left side, the right side, the front, and the back side. The lateral walls means 4 faces only. The cost price of 1 square meter is LE12. Calculate the required cost. First, I have to get the perimeter. Before finding the LSA, find the perimeter. Length plus width times 2. The length is 4, the width is 3.5, make them plus, then times 2 equals 15 centimeter. Then I want to get the lateral surface area because I want the 4 faces. Perimeter times height. We have the perimeter 15, the height 4, make 15 times 4 equals 60 centimeters square. Then I want to get the cost price of painting, okay? The cost equals 60, which is the lateral surface area, times the cost of 1 meter, which is 12. 60 times 12 equals 720 LE. Another example, a cuboid shape box with a square base. Look carefully at this word, with a square base. Its length is 9 centimeter, its height is 20 centimeter. Calculate the lateral area and total area. To get the lateral area, you have to find the perimeter. To get the total area, you have to find the area first. Okay? Here we have a square base. So find the rule of perimeter and area of square. Perimeter of square equals side times 4 equals 9 times 4 equal 36 centimeter. The area of the square equals side times side. 9 times 9 equals 81 centimeter square. Then the lateral surface area equals perimeter times height equals 36 times 20 equals 720 centimeter square. The lateral surface area, the total surface area, who can tell me the rule? Yes, equals the lateral surface area plus 2 times area. It means 720 plus 2 times the area that we have before, which is 81, equals 882 centimeter square. Another exercise, if the lateral area of a cuboid is 36 centimeter square, find its total area. Look carefully at this exercise. You have here the lateral area of the cuboid. The lateral area means what? Means the area of 4 faces together. And he wants me to find the total area. It means the area of the 6 faces. Okay? First, you have to get the area of 1 face. The area of 1 face equals lateral surface area divided by 4. Divided by 4 equals 36 divided 4 equals 9 centimeter. Then to get the total area, you will make the face area, which is 9, times the 6 faces equals 9 times 6 equals 56 centimeter square. Another example, if the total area of a cube is 726 centimeter square, calculate its lateral area. Here he gives me the total area of the cube. The total area means the area of the 6 faces. And he wants the lateral area. The lateral area means area of the 4 faces. First, get area of 1 face equals total surface area divided by 6. Equals 726 divided 6 equals 121 centimeter square. This is the area of 1 face. And I want to get the lateral area. The lateral area equals face area times 4 equals 121 times 4 equals 484 centimeters square. A cube of edge length, 8 centimeter. Here we have a cube. Calculate the ratio between its lateral area and its total area. Let's remember together, what's the rule of the lateral surface area of the cube? Yes, lateral surface area, edge times 4 equals 8 times 4 equals 256 centimeters square. The total surface area of the cube, edge times 6 equals 8 times 6 equals 384. He wants the ratio between the lateral area and the total area. So I will write 256 to 384 and its simplify is 2 to 3. A cube of edge length 10 centimeter and a cuboid, its length 8 centimeter, its width 5 centimeter and its height 17 centimeter. Okay, there's a difference between the cube, it has edge, and the cuboid has 3 dimensions which are length, width and height. Calculate the difference. The difference means the minus between their lateral area. First I have to get the lateral area of each one. Okay, first to get the lateral area you have to get the perimeter of the cube. Perimeter of cube equals 10. Perimeter of cube 10 times 4 equals 40, and the perimeter of the rectangle or the cuboid, length plus width times 2, 8 plus 5 times 2. Then the lateral surface area equals edge times 4 equal 10 times 4, 400. Lateral surface area of cuboid, perimeter times height equals 26, which we got before. 26 times 17 equals 442. The difference between them is 442 minus 400 equals 42 centimeters square. A box without a lid. Without a lid means I don't have the upper face of the cuboid. Its length 16, width 7 and height 19. Calculate its lateral area and total area. That means that is the shape of the cuboid without lid. A cuboid, 5 faces without the upper part. Okay? First I have to get the perimeter. Perimeter equals length plus width times 2. 16 plus 7 times 2 equal 46. And also you have to get the area, which is length times width. 16 times 7 equals 112 centimeters square. Then lateral surface area equals perimeter times height equals 874 centimeters square. Total surface area equals lateral surface area plus only one face area because it is without lid. So you will make 874 plus 112 equals 986 centimeters square. Let's see this problem. A box truck in the form of a cuboid. Its inner dimensions are 5 meters, 2.5 meters and 1.6 meters. It's wanted to paint the inner box with paint. The cost price of 1 square meter is LE 12. Calculate the cost of paint. Let's look at the word box truck. The truck is without lid. It's like the box without the upper face. Okay? To get the lateral surface area and total surface area, first you have to find the perimeter and the area. Perimeter, length plus width times 2. 5 plus 2.5 times 2 equals 15 meters. The area, length times width, 5 times 2.5 equals 12.5 meters square. First, find the lateral surface area, perimeter times height. Perimeter is 15 times the height from up 1.6 equals 24 meters square. Then to get the total surface area, you will make lateral surface area plus one face area only because it is without lid equals 24 plus 12.5 equals 36.5. Then I have to get the cost of the paint. So I will make 36.5 times 12 equals 438 LE. Thank you for listening and goodbye.